curfew for 12 hours daily. We already know why it's needed, so una stop us. Each week we talk about IG dances, so we decided to check out another one. And guess who was there? Bringing the vibes and the party to you online while you stay inside.
But sometimes we wanna know what's it like being at the head of an organization in such a challenging time like this. How are you coping, Mr. Hosing?
Wide rope. But I'm telling you that. You know, one of the things I was sharing with someone today is that when you're at home, it seems like you're doing more work. In fact, one person told me they're dying to get back to the office to get a break. I never knew I would ever hear that in all my life. But certainly, it is different. You know, I'm just trying to work from home and trying the transition. They say the Industrial Revolution took years. The COVID revolution is taking days. So for you to try and deal with the changes over days is just traumatic. But I want to tell you, we have a great team, and the team members have been doing a wonderful job with that transition, and we are seeing improvements, and we are really very thankful.
So Guardian Group decided to do a virtual party, and we just wanted to give back to our clients, to our brokers, to our intermediaries, to our staff members, and just tell them thank you.
You know, it's all about intense right now. DJ Nico right here. We're at the Guardian Group, and you know, we're doing it inside. You know, the party already virtual. We're doing good, strong. I was just waiting for this all to get behind us, away from us, so we can get back outside.
Sometimes you get a little bit down just being at home so long that we said, boy, let's do something that we can get them have some fun. So we kind of closed everything early today, and you know, with all the restrictions in time, which is critical for our own safety and you know, being alive. And so we said, let's have some fun.
Change is inevitable, and so you have to adapt. The live wire lady, do you have a question right now for the folks watching? So we're doing more shows online, obviously, doing the Insta Live. What's the message would you want to send to those folks watching right now at home?
To our staff, who, whether working from home or in the office, thank you. To our frontline workers, the people in the hospital, the police, the soldiers, thank you.
I mean, you gave us a virtual performance a while ago.
Yes.
I mean, things have changed since this whole pandemic. How has everything been?
Everything changed. You know, we are street people. We are entertain, and all that goes up.
Great energy. It just took our minds off of the whole pandemic just for a minute, and we really appreciate it. We're looking forward to many more performances and virtual parties like this.